Okay, Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited, 303-666-9020. JeepsUnlimited.net is where you can view this this tub and others like it. I will go into detail on it as I get through this. This isn't a normal one we would normally list, but it does not have any rust in it, and that's the reason we're taking the time to do it. So floorboards are solid. The frame channels here are all solid, as you can see, which if you have a rusty Jeep, that's the only bolt that broke and it's loose in there. And the bolt itself is rusty, but the pocket around it is fine. And then these I know are still on, but you can see the clean hole there. Okay, so getting back to this area, and this is one of the reasons I don't usually list these kind of tubs, because it's been cut majorly in the rear, but it will be discounted majorly as well. And it might just be what you like. This is an easy way, without lifting your Jeep very much, to get a 35-inch tire under it. Not my way, but it is some people's way. Otherwise, it was a beautiful tub. It's a kind of a shame because it's white and these things don't last long. So let me lower it here, and I'll show you the rest of it here. I have other tubs too, but we are starting to run low on these things. So YJ tubs are starting to get hard to get because you can put them on CJs. Okay, so top side, Cal, nice perfect round there, no rust up here. This area loves to rot out on these things. Firewall is obviously all clean, nice and straight. Rocker, nice and straight. Not much for dings, if any. Crap that's in it. Both four ways to deal with it, but floorboard. It has been lined on the inside. And they did an okay job. It's coming up in some areas, but and then here of course is your cut tub. So if you want to see what they don't look like cut, this is a YJ. I think this one's sold already, but that's what it does. That's what it looks like. So anyway, that's it. I'll walk around it for you. Don't have to worry about dings, dents, or rust in the corners because they don't have it. And this is probably a 92 or 95 era, although you can use it 87, 95, and like I said before, a popular thing to do right now is use these for CJs. And you can replace these. I mean, you could easily buy either a rear half of a tub or just, you know, I mean, it's just sheet metal. That's all it is, literally. And if that's something you're interested in, I might have one that I would be willing to cut. Matter of fact, I was going to toss that one up there in the white. It's not in the best of shape. It's got some rust on the floors, but the corners I believe are solid on it. So this needs to be pushed down. Just hit it with a hammer, beat it with a hammer, push down. That's where the fork kind of got into it there. But it's just sheet metal down there. So okay, I think that does it. I'm gonna get some photos before I run out of light. 303-666-9020. Obviously I have lots of tubs, or a lot of these are sold. You can kind of, that one's sold, that one's sold, that one's sold. So there's a few up there that haven't sold, but there's hardly any YJs left. So if it's something you're looking for, I'd say that we'd get more of them, and we will, I'm sure of it, but they are getting harder and harder to get. So okay, I appreciate it. Again, 303-666-9020, and Jeremy, JeepsUnlimited.net. Thank you.